Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some plant babies. So I have one here. These are my plants that I received for Mother's Day. One is from Rizzy and one is from Naya. I cannot remember which is which. So we're going to do unboxing on one, then I'm going to come back and do an unboxing on the other. Or should I just, I'll just probably put them together. So let me find my little thingy. These are from Walmart. Walmart.com, and if you didn't know, Walmart.com allows you to take your plants back within 365 days. So you have a whole year. If you get a plant and it's not doing well, you're just, that green thumb is just not flourishing with this plant and you have given up, take it back. I would recommend if you ordered online, that's good. They'll have proof of it online so you could, return it that way. And that's how I did it. You can't order in the store, so yeah, so that's a good way. But also, if you go in the store and buy plants, I got my jazz plant. If you go in the store and buy plants, and I guess scan your receipt, keep your receipt or whatever, so you can have proof and just email it to yourself. That's what I would do, just in case. But yeah, so we're gonna open this first one, and I cannot remember. These are new plants. I have never had either of these plants. And so I wanted to unbox them and share them with you guys and show you. These are from Costa Farms, and it says Costa Farms grow with us. They seem to be packaged okay. I can't see the plants so far, so I guess I'll just pull this up. Plants are my therapy. If you have been rocking with me, I have a lot of plants, and my plants have this is tiny. It's smaller than I thought. So this was supposed to be this is the one with the decorative pot. Oh, and it came with, Jesus Christ. Okay. That's supposed to be, this is not the type of pot that they have online, and this is plastic. And it comes with a little, Walmart, they're going to be giving me a refund. This is not the plant pot that I showed you. And I would not have paid $26 for this. I could have did this myself. Like, no, I would have not paid $26 for this. Why does Walmart play with people like that? Like, okay, let's just see. It's all dusty and dirty. I gotta wipe that off. This is the stand. We're gonna put that together in a second. I've never had this, but I love the way it looked. Y'all, this thing looks so tiny. It looks little. I wouldn't have paid this price for this plant. I definitely know. No. They could have kept this. They absolutely could have kept. Look at this, y'all. $26. This is the one that was $26. This is the one that was $26. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yeah. I love my life. It's just amazing, beautiful. Everything goes well all the time. I love it. I love it. Okay, so they have all of this packing around it that I'm trying to get off. Looks like cling wrap stuff on it. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. And yeah, we're gonna be contacting Walmart. Yeah, I'm gonna do two separate. I think I don't know. But this is the pot it's supposed to go in. This is so plastic and flexible, and it's not all that. Like, they really got over with the price of this. I'm a frugal person, and I love plants, but some people will spend 30, 40, 50. I mean, I've seen some people in plant groups spend hundreds of dollars, and I'm not about that life at this moment. I'm not. I mean, if you have it, do your thing. And I'm not saying that I don't, but I just can't see myself doing it. I'm just more of a frugal girl in all aspects of my life. So I guess that's why it's hard for me to do such a thing. And that's the way it's supposed to look. But for $26, I feel like, yeah, no. Yeah, no. I can probably put my ZZ plant that I purchased, I like that better, inside this. And set that here. Oh my Lord, Jesus, I done made a mess, y'all. Okay, let me just set this down. Okay, Camille, I done spilled the wax over on my cord, on the plant thing. Look, got wax on it. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do a two-part because this is a lot. So this particular plant did not come. Yes, it did. Hold on. There came with something in this box. Just something from them saying thank you. But this plant, let's see, we're gonna tell you what this is. If they have it on here. Look what I did. Trying to put the stand under that. This is called a tall silver elephant ear, bright indirect sunlight, plant in 6-inch pot. This was $26.30. This is the one that Naya purchased me. You know, they let me pick them out because they know I like plants and they want to make sure I get good ones. So they let me pick out the ones I wanted. And, you know, I did that. And this looks so much bigger. And it said these are usually so many inches. Let me go online. Hold on one second because this is not making sense, y'all. Hold on. Okay, guys. This is supposed to be 15 inches. No, ma'am. No, sir. I just got the soil off of the file cabinet. I had to go to the file cabinet and get some papers. But this is not 15 inches. Look at my hand. So you see in my hand 10 inches and this extra. No. This is not 15 inches. It literally says Casa Farms Live Indoor 15-inch tall silver elephant ear. Bright indirect sunlight. This should be 15 inches. This plant, let's take it out of the pot, okay? Because let's be real and give it what it's given. Because, okay, it's going to be a struggle to get this out. I don't like that pot. This is not 15 inches. Is that 15 inches, Naya?
Yeah.
Okay. They really played me. This is considered a small plant. Anything below 10 inches, 7 to 10 is small. 10 to 18 is medium. And then I think 19 to 30 is large. So let's see, because this plant right here is supposed to be a large, okay? And it's supposed to be 30 inches. Walmart gonna be giving me a refund and I'm gonna be having some free plants because I purchased them with the fact that they would be the size that they said, okay? And we're not doing this. We're not doing this. I could have went to the store and got this plant. I seen this plant in the store for like $10. Why would I pay $26? I could have got some plant. I got a lot of these. I don't need this. This is an extra $20. No, we're not doing that. So that's that. That's that unboxing. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna wipe it down and I'm gonna contact them and let them know. At least they'll give me some type of refund or something on it. But this is the tall silvertail elephant ear, and that is my new plant baby. I'm gonna do this one next. So let's get into that box. Yeah, y'all, I'm not. Hey guys, I am back with another unboxing, and yeah, so this unboxing is the present that Rizzy got me. Like I said, the girls know I love plants, so they wanted to get me plants, and they told me to pick them out, and they paid for them. So this is supposed to be a 30-inch, and this is supposed to be a, I think this is called a Crofton Mammy or something like that. Hold on, let's see. We're gonna find out what this one is. This is from Walmart. Mind you, I will repeat that you can, if the plant does not come to your liking, you have 365 days, which is a year, to return it. This is a Crofton Mammy, CROTONMAMMY. I'll try to put that down in the description when I edit this video. And this is in a 10-inch grower pot. This was only $15.78. And this is supposed to be 30 inches. Now, the box difference from the one I did a few was a total difference. Like, this box is not even all the way in the camera. So, let's see how this bad boy looks. Oh, we're going to have to put this one on the floor, and then I'll bring it up when I open it for you. Got Naya back here helping me. Well, right there helping me. All right, guys. Seems to be packaged pretty good. Oh, this thing heavy. Okay, grab that out there for me. Oh, this is not the plant. I have the one that's supposed to be curly. This is not the one. They just gave me any type of plant. This is the curly Crofton Mammy. This is the regular Crofton. I had one of these before, and they are very fancy. They are very fancy. As a matter of fact, this is the one your dad picked out some time ago. And I was trying to keep it alive in the living room in their white pot. This is it. This is not 30 inches. Why is this stick so extremely long? That's 30 inches? Is that 30 inches? Do y'all see what I'm saying? Naya is showing
that right there is
30 inches, and it ain't even in the camera. Okay, so
you were getting 2 free plants today.
Oh yeah, because I had to wait. I could not wait for these. I could not wait for this. This was 15. I know this was a struggle last time. I'm gonna try it out, but this was a struggle. And they say that the curly ones is a little bit better. I could have got this from the store. Like, I could have got this from the store. I seen these in the store. Like,
Mommy, you should go. Your money back, go back and get the other ones.
Okay, so this is the unboxing. It looks like it was wrapped right. It's no complaints on the shipping. It's no complaints on the way it looks. It looks pretty healthy. None of that is the complaint. The complaint is it's totally not the plan I want. Totally not the size I want. I'm thinking this is something bigger than what you get in the store. These are in the store. These are in the store. I could have got this in the store without a problem. Like, this is absolutely not cool. Not cool at all. So yeah. This is the Crofton. This is the Crofton 2. I just don't know which one this is. The one that's on there is the Crofton Mama, Mammy, or whatever you want to say. Let me show y'all the difference so y'all can see that I'm not just making this up. This is the one that they say is easier to care for than this one. So that's why I got this one, because I had this one before. This is what it's supposed to look like. That's what it's supposed to look like. This is absolutely not it. So I'm going to contact them. I don't know if it's on here. No, I'm calling Walmart. Yeah, I'm calling Walmart. That little, oh my gosh, that little dinky plant. Like, are you serious? Like, really, are you serious? I'm still looking at the plant that I did before this one. I undid an unboxing. I ended up having to save space, so I had to separate the actual videos. But I'm going to edit them and probably put them in one. I'm not sure. Okay, so there's some, like, paper. Tip it down just a little bit. Some paper. I guess that was to keep it moist or wet or whatever. I have to do research. I did pretty good, but that was years ago when I first got into plants. And I just hear so many bad things about this. But I'm going to put this in my plant groups as well to see what people say. And I want them to show me some of their good ones and all that good stuff. But this is absolutely not. Oh, it's paper? Oh, this is absolutely not a 30-inch plant. And what is the point of these? We could say these for plants for later when they get too big, but that didn't help the shipping. Like, what was that supposed to do? So this is what I have. I don't know what this one is. This is saying, it's saying on here, let's see, like I read the other one.
Don't you run out of time?
I'm out of time, baby?
Almost.
It's 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, pause it. Okay, guys. All right, so this one says the same exact thing, and it's absolutely not the same plant. As you see, I showed you the plant. So this is the new plant. Please look at my plant playlist to see about how I water plants and how I do with different plants and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm about to give Walmart a phone call because I'm highly heated about the fact that this is not what I wanted. Not bad, not ugly, but not what I wanted. So, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I'm going to do a quick video of my plants. You guys know that I am in a renovation. So, I literally don't have my plants in anything fancy. All my decorative pots are put in storage. So, actually not just a renovation. Like, I'm redoing a whole house. So, quickly, before I end the video, I'm going to show you some of my plants around. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a separate video, guys. that'll be something cool to show you what my plants are looking like, how they're thriving, and all the new ones I have. I love you guys. Make sure you comment below if you have any questions. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's the way you join the family, and I will see you guys later. Excuse me, guys. I'm doing stuff around the house, but I wanted to share with y'all really quick. One fell. I'm going to still show it to y'all because I noticed when it fell, it has that mesh stuff you guys told me about. So this was one of my babies I got for my for Mother's Day, and that's not the plant I wanted, but it was ordered on Walmart.com. They messed up the order, so I contacted them. I'm gonna tell y'all what they did. The next one was this one, which fell, and I got, when it fell, I was like, oh, I have to get this mesh stuff out of it anyways, which it does have the mesh stuff in it. So this is the silver, tall silver elephant plant, elephant ear. So this was supposed to be bigger than this. Not going for it. That one's supposed to be 30 inches. Not going for it. This is not the plant that that's not the actual crofton that I wanted. I wanted the curly crofton. Please tell me if you have either one of these. Let me know what you do to keep that one alive. I had one years ago. That's why I wanted to go with the other one, but that's neither here nor there. Call Walmart. The pot that this one came in is this. This is supposed to be decorative, guys. Let me show y'all. This is supposed to be decorative. I'm gonna fix this. And it came with this here. So, let me pause. This was $26. Absolutely not. I find plant stands on, and I spilled wax on it. It was not a good morning trying to unbox these for my channel. But I spilled wax on the bottom. I got to clean it off right here. And this is it. So I'm about to fix this, put this back in here, take the mesh off of it so the roots can do their thing. I called them. They also refunded the money for both of these. These are totally not what I thought they were. This is supposed to be 15 inches. The plant alone wasn't. That was supposed to be 30. Wasn't. So I got a $15 gift card plus the refund for both. So I got these for free and I was able to keep everything. So tell me if you have these. If you do, how do you keep them healthy? Lady getters.